Welcome to Schaller Law, an estate planning law firm. I'm your host, Robert Schaller, an attorney with over 35 years of experience and a registered certified public accountant. Now today we'll be discussing your child's need for you to have estate planning documents, including your last will and testament containing a testamentary trust, but more on that later. Stated simply, every parent has the moral duty to protect his or her child's financial well-being by designating a trustee, ensuring the child's financial protection in the event of parental tragedy. Let's start at the beginning. Your child is dependent upon you for everything: love, comfort, care, clothing, crib, food, diapers, and physical protection. They are all essential components of good parenting. But so is financial protection. Good parenting requires you to remember the importance of protecting your child's financial future should something catastrophic happen to you. Now, nobody plans an accidental death. That's why it's called an accident, of course. But accidents do happen, and good parenting requires you to protect your child with advanced legal preparation. And the Schaller Law Firm can help you with that. Advanced estate planning today can give you peace of mind knowing that if something catastrophic were to happen to you, your child would enjoy the best possible level of income, support, maintenance, and education that you can afford. The Schaller Law Firm can give you peace of mind by drafting a last will and testament containing an embedded testamentary trust. Well, what does that do? It provides for a trustee to manage your accumulated assets, bank accounts, brokerage accounts, cars, house, insurance, education funds, etc., on behalf of your child until your child reaches adulthood and is able to make independent financial decisions. Your assets are protected, and the testamentary trust ensures your assets will be properly managed and used to provide income, support, maintenance, and education for your child should something happen to you. Now, this is a key component of the Schaller Law Firm's new parent child protection plan. Choosing your financial trustee now can be difficult. So ask yourself the following questions because they're really important. First, who will manage your assets for your child's protection? Your mother-in-law? How about your sister-in-law? Your brother, sister, father, mother? Next, will the families fight over the right to control your money? Who will make the financial decisions for your child as you would? Who would ensure that your child will always have a roof over its head? Who will ensure that money is reserved for your child's education? Now, these are tough questions, of course, for any parent to consider. But the birth of a child creates parental obligations that can last, frankly, 18 to 21 years. Consequently, the answer to these questions will have a profound impact on your child's life should you die prematurely. Choosing a trustee to manage the testamentary trust is not only your parental duty, but frankly, it's a problem solver. If you cannot raise your child, you don't want your surviving family members and your in-law family members fighting over who should spend your money. You don't want an epic court battle fighting over control of your financial assets, with the asset value being squandered by litigation fees expended in the legal fight. By drafting your last will and testament with a testamentary trust, you get to nominate who you feel shares your values and who will do the best job providing income, support, maintenance, and education for your child should something happen to you. This is one of the most essential tasks any parents should do, and you should do it as soon as your child is born. Schaller Law makes the legal process easier than you can imagine. The law firm understands that parenting is a 24/7 obligation and understands the difficulty of trying to coordinate schedules between you and your spouse and traveling to the lawyer's office with child in hand. Difficult, I understand. I really do. I raised my own children when all the legal meetings had to be done face-to-face in the lawyer's office. That's why Schaller Law created a fully virtual experience requiring no office visit, none at all. Virtual conferencing with Zoom, website-based data intake forms, contract e-signing, e-paying, cell phones, texting, emails, Federal Express, and bingo, your estate planning documents appear at your door ready for your signature. You get your legal documents without having to leave your home. Now imagine that. Guaranteed. Imagine you can get estate planning protection for your child while sitting on your couch. watching television, as your child sleeps peacefully in the crib. Nothing could be easier. Thank you for listening, and please spread the word to your family and friends that Schaller Law offers estate planning protection without the need to leave their home. I look forward to helping you to protect your child. Thank you again, and please start the legal process of protecting your child by completing the contact form. Thank you very much.